Welcome children. Let us see how to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. There are two methods. The first one is by finding LCM of denominators and the second one is by using mean. Here I have selected that first question. Find 10 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. Here it is asked to find 10 rational numbers so that here LCM method is more applicable. So we are doing it by finding LCM of denominators so that we can write that given rational numbers like this way. Here it is 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. Then find the LCM of denominators. Here the denominators are 3 and 7. So LCM of 3 and 7 is equal to 3 and 7. Both are not having any common factor. So simply multiply 3 into 7, that is equal to 21. LCM is equal to 21. Then convert each of the given rational number which is having denominator 21, that is the LCM. Here it is 21 and 3 into 7 only we are getting 21. So multiply this numerator and denominator by 7. 2 into 7 equal to 14. 3 into 7 21. And similarly to that second one also 5 by 7, that is equal to, here we have to get that denominator 21, so that we have to multiply 7 by 3, so that 5 also we have to multiply 5 into 3 divided by 7 into 3. 5 into 3 is 15. Now we have got 15 by 21. So our first rational number converted as 14 by 21 and second one is 15 by 21. We know in between that 14 and 15 there is no integers, isn't it? There is no integer in between 14 and 15, so that we have to multiply again both of the rational numbers 14 by 21 and 15 by 21. First we can multiply 14 by 21. It is easy if we are multiplying it by 10 or 20. 20 we can take because there is no rational number between them. Multiplied by 20. Similarly, multiply 15 by 21 also by 20 itself. Then here we have multiplied by 20 by 20. Here also 20 by 20. We cannot change that number. That is, if we multiplied here by 10, we cannot multiply it here by 20. Same, by the same number we have to multiply both the given or both the numbers. And here now we are getting 14 into 20 is 280. Divided by 21 into 20 is 420. And the second one is 15 into 20, that is 300. Divided by 21 into 20, we know it is 420. Then we can write that rational numbers between these two. Here we know 280 and 300. We can see 281, 282, etc. up to 299 we can write. So that we are listing that 10 rational numbers. Therefore, the required rational numbers are 281 by 420, 282 by 420. We have to list 10. 283 by 420, 284 by 420, 285 by 420, 286 by 420, 287 by 420, 288 by 420, 289 by 420, and one more is there, 290 90 by 420. Now it is 10 rational numbers. We have listed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then the second method is by using mean. Here one question is there. Find two rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 by using mean. So that first we have to find the mean of 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. We know if A and B are two rational numbers, then its mean is equal to A plus B divided by 2. That means finding sum of these two and divided by 2. Similarly, mean of 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 is equal to, find the sum of 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, then divide it by 2. Then we can find the sum of 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 first. Here we know what is that LCM. LCM is equal to 4. So 1 by 4 no need to change at all. Plus 1 by 2 we have to change. 1 by 2 into 2 on numerator and denominator. That is equal to 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. That is equal to 3 by 4. Now we have got only the sum. Then we have to find the mean. That is mean is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. That is, we know up to here we have got 3 by 4 divided by 2. That is equal to 3 by 4 into multiply by the reciprocal of these two. 1 by 2, that is equal to 3 into 1. Product of numerators divided by product of denominators. That is equal to 3 by 8. Now we have got one rational number between these two. Then we have got 3 by 8 lies between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So that we can write 1 by 4 less than 3 by 8 less than 1 by 2. 3 by 8 lies in between these both 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Then we need one more rational number. One only we have got here. For finding another rational number, we can take these two or these last two. So now we can take this 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. Then find the, we have selected 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. Then find the mean of 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. That is equal to, you have to find the sum of 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. Then divide it by 2. Then we can find the sum of 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. That is equal to, here the LCM is 8. So 1 by 4 we have to multiply by 2 on numerator and denominator, then plus 3 by 8. That is equal to 1 into 2, 2, 4 into 2, 8. 2 by 8 plus 3 by 8. That is equal to 3 plus 2, 5. 5 by 8. Then we have to find the mean. Then mean is equal to, here this much we have got 5 by 8. Then divided by 2. That is equal to 5 by 8 into, write the reciprocal of these two. It is 1 by 2. Multiply by the reciprocal. That is equal to 5 by 16. Now we have got the second rational number. Thus we have got two rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. They are, first one is 3 by 8 and the second one is 5 by 16. So we can finalize our answer. Thus 3 by 8 and 5 by 16 are the two rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2.